Disabling two-factor authentication on your Rabobank account can be necessary for various reasons. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Log into your Rabobank account. Visit the Rabobank website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings or Account Settings section. Look for an option labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Step 3. Select Two-Factor Authentication. In the Security Settings, find the section specifically for two-factor authentication. This may be listed as 2FA or two-step verification. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling, ensure you receive a confirmation message or notification indicating that two-factor authentication has been successfully turned off. Review your account settings to verify the changes. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Rabobank account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular monitoring.